Yeah, great.
Have a nice trip.
Safe journey.
Thanks.
Good morning internet, it is 8:15 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Now I am having my breakfast now, it's a bit of a rainy morning. Anyway, today is the big day. I am taking the boat to Iceland. I am so super excited and a little bit nervous, I have to admit. First I'm gonna have my knäckebröd, which I bought yesterday. I probably will have to set this straight or clarify. Because now, as far as I know, knäckebröd is actually Swedish and smørrebrød is Danish. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, I like it all, although I didn't try the smørrebrød, but I'm sure I would love that too. So it's about a 20-minute ride to the port, and then I have to be there 2 hours in advance for check-in. And I believe then they're also going to do the corona test. I don't really understand how the process is going to be, because first I understood that if you test positive you're not even allowed to board the ship, but I don't believe that they have the results so fast. So I do think that you can board and then upon arrival or something like that you get to know if you're positive or negative. You have to download this app on your phone and then you get a text message with the results. So let's see how that goes.
Okay. Okay, bring back the key. Hi. Thank you.
Welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thanks. Bye. I'm glad I put my rain suit on. I was already expecting some more rain. Okay. I am in the line. Let's see. We're now standing completely still for some time, but there is a lot of traffic coming off, so I think they're just unloading and then we can start boarding, but I think it's gonna take a while. Hi.
Where are you going to?
Iceland.
Okay, just stay in this lane.
Okay. Probably people that go to the Faroe Islands. I don't know how to pronounce it. Faroe Islands. They can probably go first, because obviously they have to get off the ship. Hi. Okay, here I have to do the COVID-19 test.
Hi.
Hi.
Getting tested.
Sorry?
Are you getting tested?
Yes.
Yes, okay, then straightforward.
Okay. Okay. This way?
Thank you.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yes. You need my nose.
No, the mouth. The mouth.
And the nose.
No.
Helmet off?
Only the mouth.
Oh.
Yeah. We
And we
need
need
a
your
little
room
white.
key.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The paper?
No, a little white card with a K on it. Yeah, this one.
You need it?
Thank you. There you go.
Thanks.
Yeah, great.
Have a nice trip.
Safe journey.
Thanks. That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Test all done.
Hi.
Hi.
Iceland or Faroe Islands?
To Iceland.
Yeah, down in lane number 2.
Lane number 2.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Look at all of this. Everybody going to Iceland. Four by fours galore. Lane number 2. Oh, nice. Well, test is done. We go? Okay. We can board. Better wait below the hill. It's not a good idea to have to stop somewhere there. This way. Ooh, slippery.
Yeah, because the roll you put it from there to there. You put it from there.
Oh, I made it to my hut. This is not from the rain, this is just pure sweat. It was so hot down there and I had to strap in Ronan and it was hard work, but she's safe. I think she's pretty stable now. She's not gonna move anywhere. In the end, quite a few other motorcyclists turned up. There was like a whole row of us. So pretty cool. I think they were all from Germany. That's what I quickly saw. Anyway, welcome to my home. For the next 2 days, I am staying in this hut. It's pretty big actually. And I can look outside here. Cool, right? So now we're still in the fort. So yeah, I think, well, the next 2 days I am mostly going to edit videos from the first 3 days until here. That's something that normally you don't see in the videos, all the hours and hours and hours of editing work that I have to do to produce all the videos. So yeah, these will be 2 good days to edit those 3 videos. And I'll wander around the ship a little bit, see if I can exchange some money and that sort of thing. So we'll see. All right, let's open the door. Let's see if I can exchange some money. Not that it's super necessary, but always handy to have some local cash. Or at least I think that I saw that you can do that here. Bank opens at 1. It is now 11:30, so actually departure time. Although I do wonder if we're gonna depart on time because it was taking forever. That line was just going so super slow. So I wouldn't be surprised if we leave a little bit later, but hey. I have all the time in the world. So I'm just gonna fire up my laptop now and then at 1 I'll just go to the bank. I started editing already. So this is my life for about half the time. Just behind my computer, working here. See, this is the software that I'm using. And I'm just editing. Go back to the channel. See, in the morning, 7:30 internet, it is 7:30 in the morning. Oh, we're moving, we're moving. Look. We are moving! Bye, Denmark! We are off! It's just unbelievable. I sat in the rain, waiting in that line for like an hour in the pouring rain, and then now the sun comes out. Look at it! Just completely cleared up. I don't know if this is Danish or Icelandic.
Da vi nærskast norrastrandene og opp vi i nekka tøymar så får veksande vindene i 20 vattrusene som minkar vind til 8-13. Og alla er nok gjør norskjegve og tilfællig så her var eisen en av min auto som I til hånda til maks 2,5.
This is such a cute language, right?
Mittlen Hetland og Følger
It must be Danish.
Alla veien 20-15 minkar vi nærskast Følgen og så det alta 2,5 meter til 3,5 meter. This evening, when we are approaching the coast of Norway, along the coast with Norway, we will have increasing wind coming from the west, 30 to 20 meters per second for some hours, and the sea stay will be 3 to max 5 meters waves.
Look what just happened. I put it in and then I pulled it back, and now half of the thing is inside. Oh no. Oh. I think I broke the door. Oh no! I just put it in and then it just ripped. Uh-oh. So they gave me a new card. He said it can be 4 minutes before it's active, but because the other piece is still inside, if it doesn't work, we need to call the handyman. So it appears that I've now successfully managed to lock myself out of my hut. So the handyman fixed my door. But I'm starting to think, what am I getting myself into going to Iceland? So I was planning to show the dinner tonight. There are 3 restaurants on board the ship, and I was planning to end this episode with showing you the local cuisine on board the Smyril Line ship. But I am not doing so well with the whole seasickness thing. These waves are pretty high. And well, yeah, I just threw up 6 times already. I'm sorry if that's too much information, but it's just the truth. So I was like, I don't dare to go to the restaurant and eat. So I was like, okay, I'll just stay here in my hut. Yeah, so if I feel sick, then I have a bathroom here close by. And you know, last week somebody said to me, oh, aren't you afraid you're gonna be seasick on board? And I was like, seasick? Me? No, I worked 5 years for a dredging company. I've been on the sea. I'll be fine. So, but yeah, no, I'm not. Maybe I'm not used to it anymore. I've spent too much time on a motorcycle. I don't know. Or these waves are really pretty high. Now it's relatively calm, but a few hours back, okay, maybe it also didn't help that I was looking at a computer screen doing editing of videos while going 3 meters up and down. That might have also not been so good. But anyway, I am sure that tomorrow I will feel better, and then I will try to give a proper tour on board the ship and maybe go to the upper deck if I don't get blown off of it by the wind and if it's not raining like mad. But yeah, we'll see that in the next episode how I'm feeling then. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.